Ever wonder what you're going to do later on? A list, doctor's appointments, get the kids at school, don't forget to bring this. This may be a product for you that you could place on a wall, a door, a refrigerator, somewhere where you need to write on acrylic plastic. And it comes with magnetic erasable markers. You get 2 of a green, 2 of a purple, 2 of a blue, 2 of a black, 2 of a yellow, 2 of a red, and they are very easy to use. If you don't have a magnetic surface, don't worry. You get some adhesive stickers for both of them, and you can place it anywhere imaginable. This one has a nice large display of your day and your months. So here we are. We grab the board, we grab the stickers, and we grab the markers, and we simply just unwrap everything. Find a spot to place on, like a door, in case you have a person that has a little bit of forgetfulness like dementia, and when they go out they can see that you left a message for them to lock the door. And when you're all done, you take the marker and you place them on the magnetic tips. Remember, certain colors do and do not work on certain backgrounds, and you have the date board, as you can see. Now, the nice things about these boards, they are flexible, and I have, here's a logo, and this goes right over the logo, not a problem at all, and a very strong magnet. White on white, a little difficult to see, but hey, you know what? What is today's date? Today is the 4th. Over here, so we can write a 4, and we can pick another color and say, don't forget to get sausage casings. If I want to erase this, I simply use the back of the marker. It erases, place it onto the magnet, give a couple of different colors. Even on the refrigerator they stick, and they do a nice job holding up. I am going to erase what I wrote, and I got a nice work area that I need to install with the self-adhesives right over here. And this way I can make some mental notes. And let's say you want to remove it to another area, you simply just take this off the walls. That's simple. And put on a new self-adhesive and you're good to go. So if you like looking down at things like on a desk, you can do so and put it down there, and you could do your work like so, and off you go. I hope this is a product. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.